Okay, so that's we get a shot of Baileys.
Jody.
I've never bought a shot of Baileys in my life. This is a first, guys. This is my shot of Baileys.
What is this?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are visiting the Bamboo Beach Club that recently moved from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay, and I'll be giving you the 411. I'll tell you if I like it or if I didn't. Stay tuned, but before we get to that, join me on our road trip because we'll be making a few stops. Alright, so I'm trying to find the smallest piece. Alright, so here's piece. It kind of looks like chicken thighs. It looks like chicken thighs. I really don't think it's rabbit. I'm trying to convince myself it's not rabbit. Okay, so I'm gonna go in again because it actually tastes good. It tastes like chicken. The texture is like chicken thigh. The look, if you can look at it, this looks like a leg part of chicken, like that juicy part of the chicken. It's white, it's the skin and everything. The only difference is the shape of the bone, because we actually thought we get tricked. Like them trick way and give it chicken instead. So this is really good. This is really good. How much is the rabbit? $500 for quarter pound. I think I would actually go back and specifically ask for jerk rabbit. Just have to come back and tell them that this nice bad. I'm very picky. I'm gonna eat anything because, as you can see in the last vlog, the oyster thing, that was nasty. The sauce was good, but it wasn't. The aftertaste was horrible. But this, when we come back, we buy more. It bad, better than pork, yeah. So this is what we stopped and got. Well, one of the things. Wanted curry goat and roti. Don't ask me why I have rice and peas on my plates. Please and thanks. And then mixed vegetable something here. I don't know how I feel about it. So. Country people love them something here, you see. And the country people them don't say nothing to me. I don't know it's true. Straight out of the can. No little cabbage, no little nothing. Anyways, no little planting. I'll just scoop this to the side. I'm gonna tell you how this tastes. Yeah. Presentation. I want you to give them people here for presentation. Alright, so I'm going to taste.
They're not nice.
Alright, so I'm gonna rice and peas. Like them I use a cold stove. I'm gonna taste the countryness. So taste the countryness. I know inside pan pack this make. It's alright. the goat. So we're gonna taste the goat now.
You know me love food and everything for me tastes good. I'm telling you this not tastes good, you must believe.
I mean the curry alright, but it not a pepper. But taste the curry, it just not a pepper. It one more.
We don't have pepper. You're not supposed to have pepper sauce. You have curry cooked well seasoned with spices and your pepper.
And the goat could have kind of cooked down a little bit more. Yeah, it not fall off of the bone. So I mean, so this is the jerk sauce. I like the color. It's not vibrant. It not smell too bad because I smell walipa mole pepper sauce in my lifetime, so it not smell too bad. But I think I'm supposed to put pepper sauce on curry goat. And lastly, the roti. Let's taste.
Fireflies, a million little pieces, feeds the dying light and brings me back to life. In your eyes, I see something to believe in. Your hands are like a flame, your palms are sweet as pain. Let the darkness lead us into the light. Let our dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite, like a starship speeding into the night. You and I get lost in the infinite light. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. One touch and I ignite.
Watch eyeshadow.
Watch Ben.
Alright, so these are the prices in US dollars, of course, for the wine category, the beer category, sangria and rum. So it's $5 a shot. If you're dining, I guess you could tell them and you get to sit on the hair. Personally, I prefer the first location in Ochi. Really not a fan of this location, but this is what it is. I don't want to sound like a Debbie Downer, but if you're not like me, if you're the opposite of me and you just want somewhere to just relax with your family or with friends, no baga nice thing, eat 2 food, drink 2 beer, then yeah, they have more than enough chairs. You look up that way, you can see. Another thing is apparently, you know, Jamaican people, you get your rum cream. We normally get it in a small bottle, worst case you get it in a glass with enough ice, and you know, normal cases you get a little small bottle and you fill up your glass and you go about your business. Apparently, remember that sign in the video earlier, you get a shot glass for $5 US. So look like them want broke you before you go home. So you have to go take bus go home when you're done. So careful.
Look how she pull up the pepper ice. Talking for that now. One shot of Baileys, you know? Me they have said no they're bad. If I one shot. Look on the shot.
But that's why you know nobody give me liquor from outside. So you can rub it.
No, I one shot of Baileys and I give it you. I like the old Jesus, Billy for me.
This rock is So white rum, this is one the white rum. Oh guys, I like good. Them don't know how the boss never kill them party.
Okay, so that's we get a shot of Baileys.
Good.
I've never bought a shot of Baileys in my life. This is a first, guys. This is my shot of Baileys. The drink of Baileys done. It done. One drink. That's it.
Just in case you didn't believe me, this is the receipt. One shot is for $7 plus GCT. So the shot came up to $1,127. Thanks for making it Bamboo Beach Club. Anyway, I must say that the hostess for the beach, they were very friendly. They were fun to talk to. If you had any issues or concerns, they did not frown. They answered everything as best as they could. If you're looking for a party venue, ideally this place is awesome. I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Bye.